My name is Braden Passias. I'm an orthopedic spine surgeon with OrthoNeuro. Grew up here in town. I'm from Central Ohio. I'm from New Albany. I went to Miami University, my undergraduate studies, and I got a Bachelor of Science in Kinesiology. I then went on to medical school at the Ohio University Heritage College of Osteopathic Medicine here in Central Ohio at the Dublin campus. I did my orthopedic residency here at Ohio Health in Central Ohio, and then went on to do a complex spine fellowship at the University of California, San Diego. I became a doctor for a multitude of reasons, and it was something that I was exposed to at a very young age. My father's a family doc, and my grandfather was a family doc as well. So it was always something that I was exposed to, something that I looked up to growing up for pretty much my entire life. And ultimately, I wanted to find a profession that I was able to help patients or help folks every day, something that really got me out of bed in the morning. And it was something that I was very passionate about. And I knew very early on that this is something that I wanted to do for the rest of my life. Including my training, this would be my 7th year. I did a orthopedic surgery residency here in Central Ohio at Ohio Health. That was 5 years of training. That included all areas of orthopedics as well as orthopedic spine surgery. Then went on to do my fellowship at the University of California, San Diego. And that was an additional year of just intensive training on the spine. And this is my first year with OrthoNeuro, and I joined the practice in August of 2025. So there's a lot of great things about being a physician, and the most important thing and what really gets me out of bed every day is the ability to help patients and kind of get that gratification of seeing patients that come in that are in pain or having their lifestyles affected, that want to get back to doing the things that they like to do. And this is a great opportunity and a very unique position, and I have that ability to help those patients, and that's what I love most about being a doctor, and it's certainly what drives me to go to work every day. My treatment philosophy is first and foremost to get patients back to doing everything that they want to do, whether that be surgery or non-operative treatment modalities. But I think the most important thing is that we look at all the options that are out there, whether it be surgery or whether it not be surgery, to find the best tailored treatment algorithm for you, for patients when they come in. Certainly not jumping to surgery or jumping to non-operative managements, but I think it's important to discuss everything that's involved as far as the different treatment options and the different routes that we can go. And I also think it's very important for patients to understand exactly what is going on. So I like to discuss with them the anatomy and the physiology and exactly what's going on at a bare bone level so that they understand where their pathology is and why their symptoms are occurring. And I think that that's very important for patients when they come in and then they're involved with their care and they can understand about, the different options going forward and how best to treat them. What I love best about being a doctor is having the skill set to help patients, whether that be surgery or non-surgery. So when patients come in and they're in pain or they're having their lifestyles severely affected, this is a very unique position. It's something that I hold very sacred, that I have the ability to help and get these patients out of pain or restore their function. And oftentimes that isn't actually surgery. So a lot of patients come in and they have a lot of fear of am I gonna have to get cut on? Am I gonna have to get rods and screws or things like that? And certainly that's not, for everyone. And I'm very, very cautious about who I operate on and why we do it and make sure that we do it for the right reasons. But oftentimes a lot of patients come in that will benefit from different physical therapies or different medications or different types of injections. So there's kind of a multitude of different things that we have to offer. That's kind of what I love about being a physician, because I have this ability to help these folks that come in that are in pain or looking forward to get back to doing their day-to-day activities. So it's actually it's a very, very unique set of shoes to be in. It's something that I hold very sacred.